Hi, welcome. This is a short video on how to access the bulbs in your map reading light area in a BMW 5 Series E60. So you've got a plastic cover at the top here. Just get your fingernails under that, pull it down from the front, and then pull it towards the front of the vehicle, and then that comes out. That then gives you access to the area where you want to get. Oh, there we go, that's a bit better. So you can see silver clip, one now, and then one the other side. Literally all you have to do is just push them in. Oh, there you go, bingo. If it doesn't come out as easy as that, then just push them both in, and then there's a drop down, and that gives you access to get to your bulbs. So you got three, one each side and one in the middle. So all you have to do is just twist them to get them out, and then there you go, you got access to them. So just make sure you get the right ones if you're going to upgrade to the LED lights. I did get some of these ones, but they're not going in, they're too big. It's this little diameter at the back, this plastic bit there. Maybe I could force it in, but I don't really want to do that, so I'll just try and get some slightly smaller ones and then do the upgrade. But that's how you do it. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Cheers.